how to buy and sell on Exness. Hey guys, welcome back. In this video I'm going to walk you through the steps on buy and sell on Exness. So in order to buy and sell on Exness, all you have to do is just make sure to watch this video till the end and follow the instruction as guided. Now then, to begin with, first of all, login, and that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. Now in order to trade or buy and sell on Exness, you have to go ahead and tap on the trade icon located right at the bottom, and that's going to take you to this sort of interface. So here you need to go ahead and select what you actually want to buy and sell. So in my case, I'm going to go with the cryptos. So after you select the crypto, then you need to select the asset that you wish to buy or sell. Just go ahead and tap on it, and next page you'll be able to see right at the bottom whether you want to sell or buy. So if you want to sell, just go ahead and tap on the sell button. You have to enter in the information, that is the amount, and click on confirm sell. Next page is going to ask you to enter in the information, that is as you'll be receiving amounts. So after that, you need to confirm by entering the information and all that, and likewise you can do the same procedure in order to buy on Exness. So that's basically how you can buy or sell on Exness. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.